So this is the unit. 10th floor lang tayo. Tower 1. Avida Tower Centera. 2 bedrooms. Again, yung details niya, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa video. Pakibasa na lang po. This is your living and dining area. Facing EDSA, City View, and Mandaluyong. Very spacious. Meron siyang foyer, kitchen. It looks like hindi nagamit ng previous owner, good as brand new. And then ito yung isang kwarto. May aircon provision. Same view. EDSA, Mandaluyong. And then meron tayong common bathroom dito. Maluwag din po siya. And then ito yung pinaka-masters or primary bedroom. Yan. Corner unit, kaya naman meron tayong windows on both sides for better lighting and ventilation. So facing amenities, kitang-kita yung swimming pool. Ayun. Complete amenities tayo dito. May parks and playground, swimming pool, fitness center, function area, and many more. And meron siyang ensuite bathroom. Ayan. So this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. As is where is and first come first served basis. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Malapit lang tayo sa Greenfield District, sa Mega Mall, sa BGC, Makati CBD, and Ortigas Center. So ideal siya for end use or for passive income. So again, if you are interested, message us directly.
Bali, itong Avida Centera, meron siyang 4-level na podium for parking. And then first floor mag-start yung residential. So technically parang 5th floor na siya. And then andun na rin yung mga amenities. Tulad nito, parang outdoor gym. Okay. And then andito yung yan, swimming pool, adult pool, kiddie pool. Dito kompleto silang lahat. And then ito yung indoor gym niya. Pero nag-workout. Naka-indoor gym niya. Tapos dito yung swimming pool. Oh. Daming swimming pool. And then may mga pocket gardens tayo.